dancers at kahit sa ASAP XV, and we are around some of the best dance groups.
Ibang klase.
Pero ibang klase ang galing na binibigay sa atin ng
Bata
experience.
pa. They're really young.
Nila.
They seem like they have a lot of experience, for real.
Yes.
Pero ituloy-tuloy na natin ang nag-iinitan na laban. Hindi siya part ng grupo ng Experienced Kids. Pero dito sa PGT, parang ang dami niya nang na-experience.
Okay? He is an honor student and a very talented kid from Cebu. Si Jayzan. Let's all watch this.
I feel overwhelmed kasi po marami na po nakaka-discover sa akin. I feel so happy kasi marami din naka-appreciate sa talent ko.
Jason, sayang, umiyak ka pa ng tears of joy. It's also yes!
I will sacrifice. I'm doing this for my family. It's okay lang po na hindi ako manalo. I'm not really up to the money. I'm up to showing my talent. I'm up to the fame.
Siya na kaya ang kauna-unahang act from the Visayas na makakapasok sa ating Grand Finals?
Siya ang dahilan kung bakit may tinatawag na Jayzanians from Cebu. Please welcome, Jayzan!
I can almost see it. A dream I'm dreaming, but there's a voice inside my head. Will never reach it. Every step I'm taking, every move I make feels lost with no directions. My feet is shaking, but I gotta keep trying. Gotta keep my head high. So it's gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. So it doesn't gotta have to last. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about swaying on the other side. In the light. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Keep on moving, climbing, keep your faith, keep your faith. It's all about Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's all about
Jayzan!
Jayzan, thank you very much.
Yun lang pala talaga inaantay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hi, Ro.
Jayzan.
Welcome back on stage.
Iba ang look natin na wala tayong salamin.
Salamin.
Oh, but parang emotional ka rin ngayon. What's wrong?
Kasi nasabit po.
Oo, alam niya no, na sumabit. Bilib ako sa kanya for recognizing.
Alam niya eh.
Oo.
Gift
It
of
happens
ears.
on stage. It happens on stage.
All
di ba?
performers, nangyari yan sa lahat. Pinakamagagaling, sumasabit din kami. Pero may tanong ako sa'yo, Jayzan. Naisip mo sa edad mong yan, at dahil lang sa isang audition, magkakaroon ka ng Jayzanians na nagmamahal sa'yo dyan.
Did you ever expect na magkakaroon ng Jayzanians?
Hindi po kasi po, I didn't expect po na ganito po yung kalayo yung mararating ko po. Semifinals na po ito, malayo na po to, okay na po to sa akin kahit hindi po ako matanggap.
Okay. On that note, it is time to hear from our judges.
Friendship, kanina sinabi mo na pag maganda yung performance mo, naiiyak ka.
Oo.
Yung mga times na nakalimutan mo yung lyrics na medyo madalas mangyari.
Parati kong ginagawa yun.
Oo, ano? Naiiyak ka din?
Hindi. Sanay na yung audience. Tumatawa na lang sila. At tinatanggap nila ako na ganun ako. Pero alam mo, ang galing mo kasi ang lakas ng loob mo na talagang inamin na sumabit ka and pinahanga mo ko sa part na yon. Congratulations.
Honesty, di ba?
Yes.
And I think the best performers to Jason, meron talagang realization of where they're good and where they fail. At yun ang lalong magpapatibay sa'yo at lalo ka pang huhusay with age because magaling ka talagang magkilala ng sarili mo.
That's right.
Yan ang talent. Sir FMG?
Jason, magandang boses mo. Your selection of music is right. Pero sumabit ka, no? So, it should be up to the audience who would vote for you if they want to give you a chance to be in the finals.
Thank you, Sir FMG. Are you okay, Jason? Yes, kagaya na sinabi, it is up to the audience. Kaya kung gusto niyo pang magtuloy-tuloy ang climb ni Jason to the top, then all you have to do is text or vote for him. All you have to do is type in PGT space Jason.
Ulitin ko po, PGT space JZAN. Your vote counts, mga kapamilya. Jason, okay lang yun. The show must go on.
It
Thank
happens,
you very
bro.
much, ha? Good luck.
Thank you very much.
Good luck sa'yo.
Thank you very much, Jason. Stay tuned dahil sa aming pagbabalik.
The girl who can play 12 instruments at ang malasantilo ng General Santos City.
Jelaine and Harold, all that and more sa pagbabalik ng Pilipinas Got Talent.
Jay Zantero. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. So it doesn't gotta have to let.
Vote Jay Zantero. And send to 2331 for Glow, EM Sun Cellular, and Buy and Phone Extra subscribers, and 231 for Smart and Talk and Text subscribers. How to vote in bulk? Text PGT space bulk to 2366 for all networks. For online and international voting, just log on to Pilipinas Got Talent at abs-cbn.com.